In today's video, I want to show you guys how you can change your Toshiba TV sound settings or your Toshiba TV sound output settings. Okay, for the first step, we click on the home button and then we can go up and go to the settings. So we click to the right, click on settings, and then we are here. Now we go down and click on device preferences. So click on that and then we go down to sound, click on that, and here we can activate or deactivate our system sounds. And here are our speakers, that means our output, and now we can choose our external audio system or TV speakers. So this is what we want. We click on that, what we want, and here's also digital output and more. And then we can also reset it to default if you want to. If I could help you with the video, please leave a like and subscribe, and then see you next time.